Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshin.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has finally received a presentation from Mkhwebane. Months after writing to the public protector on 17 March, Ramaphosa said he asked Mkhwebane to furnish him with reasons why he should not suspend her in terms of Section 194 of the Constitution. Mkhwebane's spokesperson Opa Sakhalwe said Advocate Mkhwebane holds a strong view that President Ramaphosa is precluded and that in any event, the powers to suspend as envisaged in Section 194A of the Constitution will only be triggered after the start of the removal proceedings, which has not yet happened. Though she has given reason why Ramaphosa should not suspend her, Mkhwebane said she reserved her rights. Her spokesperson also said this is based on her belief that the letter in question will only be due after a decision on her two-part application in the Western High Court, in which President Ramaphosa, chairperson of the Section 194 Committee of the National Assembly, Nhlanhla are among the respondents. In Part B, which has yet to be heard by a differently constituted court, Mkhwebane seeks an order declaring the conduct of Ramaphosa, Nhlanhla in respect of the impeachment process unconstitutional, unlawful, null and void. She is of the view that any suspension before finalization of the processes will undermine the independence of the judiciary and amount to or border on the criminal offense of the contempt of court. Do you think Cyril Ramaphosa will really suspend him? What are your thoughts on this particular topic, people? Please leave a comment down below. Another update is on the Operation Dudula leader Nhlanhla Lux Dlamini. Nhlanhla Lux appeared at the Roodepoort Magistrate Court on Friday. He was charged with housebreaking theft and malicious damage to property after Dudula members descended on a suspected drug house in Soweto in March. Nhlanhla Lux briefly appeared in court and the case was postponed to June 27. Afterwards, he addressed his supporters and promised the movement will take action where government failed. He said, "We were in a meeting yesterday with all the hostels. It's going to be a Soweto program. We are going to build informal settlements outside politicians' houses." He added that the first settlement will be built outside the home of Johannesburg Mayor Dr. Mpho Phalatse. Do you think Nhlanhla Lux will be able to fulfill this promise? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more news.